So what is up, guys? We're Vino, Jake here, and
Alex.
oh my god.
What
so,
did you get me out of frame?
was right there? Like you see it on that side right there.
Oh.
Right. So guys, for today's video content, we're actually excited. We might be getting her official
Project car.
or race car.
Don't know how to drive it yet, but
We're gonna go check it out right now.
we're learning.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. Also shout out to ACG Nails and to our future business that we're going to be doing together. Guys, you guys want to get your nails done, hit us up. Also shout out to my sponsors. This is Diamond Toke and Badass Clothing. Let's check it out here. Hold the camera.
Can you see it?
I don't know, can you?
Kind of trickle, but it's okay.
Alright.
They get the point.
So guys, want to get some badass clothing, let me know. We are excited and we are on our way right now. What car to take, what car to take, what car to take. We'll take the Lexus. It's always for good luck. So guys, also too, we do have the 240s for sale. For reason being is because we want to save up to get my girl a truck. She wants to get her Honda Silverado. So she drives her damn Civic like a Silverado. So somebody buy them. And we're excited. Lexus coming along. I will do a review on this one. And also too, we'll be doing a review on the 4Runner. And god damn, I park like if I don't have parking at all. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Can I see my butt? Yeah, I got the key. Oh shit. I didn't get the house keys over.
Hi guys. So we're like a couple hundred feet away from our destination. Yeah.
0.2 miles.
A couple hundred.
Oh, I don't know. I'm not good at math.
So to get to our destination of our future project car,
Your project car.
mine and yours, because I'll share.
I can't let it.
Oh, well, if you don't want to share, it's okay.
Oh, it's right there.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta turn it off. Sorry, guys. Put my lenses on. So, guys, we're about to test drive this very loud car. Be careful with the Mustang Spark Pulse. Go behind it.
All the way to the top? Para reversa? Oh, I think like almost all the way to the top? What the heck? Alright. Oh, okay.
We got it. Our friend had to help.
I was like, se me hizo raro, dije, what the heck?
My terrible coach.
What the fuck is this matter?
We didn't hit it.
Did I go clear? Right
Yeah.
here?
Yeah. You have your feet? It's his fault if we don't.
The clutch is like so different.
I don't know how I feel about that. Lighter than the one we have?
Yeah, a lot. But it's kind of like.
Oh, I can hear that. Oh no! I think it got hot. So what does that red flashing mean?
So guys, this is Alex and Vio. You excited? Yeah.
I'm watching a video.
You're watching the video?
It's plain.
Ya el Victor.
Si voy a andar yo.
¿Hacia dónde andar tú? Race car life.
I have it installed.
So we have bought Victor's 350Z
Chewbacca's all 350Z.
from my mechanic. So what do you guys think? Alex doesn't seem that excited. Yeah, she's already trying to send it already. So guys, what do you guys think? Alex's new car, Stick shift. Got a 160K. It's pretty good. Make some good pop tunes.
I was panicking. I started crying.
Check it out, guys. It's got no stereo. Real race car.
You want to know something cool?
¿Qué onda?
The middle part, the lips.
Yeah.
Okay. I know a lot of these don't work, and that works.
That's true. Mine has a GPS
It's
thing.
called focus.
Really? Oh shit.
Sorry for interrupting.
Nah. So, you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna.
No, you're not gonna send it. You're gonna
Oh,
learn. What
send
the
it.
fuck? No, you're not gonna send it. You're supposed to learn how to drive first.
That's how I will learn.
Oh, I guess. All right. All right. Hey, can we get it started? All right.
It's a little noisy though.
I see your reaction too. I got the.
It's really loud.
Yeah, but you like it though. Neta. Damn. So, yeah, it's gonna get fixed up. We'll do another update on this video. That's too loud. That's too loud for right now.
It's a liability.
Ahí está. Ahí fírmale, fírmale.
I want to spit
Ay, perdón. Ah, ¿eso qué? How do you feel? A ver. Ah, pues. I don't. Ah. Ah. ¿Y las llaves? ¿Y las llaves? Can you handle it? It's slow. It throws fire. Excited? Ah, las llaves, pues las llaves. Mira. Feliz como una lombriz con su carro. Pues así de ángulo, pues filter. Ah. So guys, Alex's 350 is finally home. She's safe and sound. Gonna give her a good wash. Got some goodies. Trying out this little cool pressure washer turbo jet. So excited? You can start learning every day?
Yes.
Alright.
I clean it because Victor left it, man.
Yeah. I don't know. First time I buy a dirty car. Well, no, not dirty. The other 350 was dirty too. It's for good luck. So guys, this is her new build. No, it's not leaking oil. It's already there. I don't know what that was. So pretty badass build. There's more to come. There's a lot of goodies she's already ordered for. So guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. And we're just gonna drop the video of us watching it and all that.
And get all those nasty bugs. And I have like our bajillion cars parked over there. And this one, it is for sale. Someone please buy it. I'm not gonna use it anymore. It's like,
use it.
well, I'm not gonna build it anymore because I have this one. Oh! At least it's waterproof. It's so hot outside. It's like 110 degrees still, and it's 6 o'clock. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the after. This is the before. I'm gonna show you guys the interior before, and then I'll wash it up and let you guys see.
Gonna be a good hand.
Yes. And then there's Nitro. Watch out! And there's Turbo. He's dying.
Metro, happy summer! Órale, puto! So we got a lot of cars we're gonna wash today. A lot. What's up, guys? Check it out. Alex's whip, finally clean. All the whips are clean. So mine still in the process, getting worked on. But gonna get wrapped soon. So another finish. Damn, look at that full Rana. Looking good, huh? Yeah, guys. What do you guys think? It's pretty good, huh? Oh shit, a lot of fucking mud. So the exit, damn, she's looking clean as fuck. I need to put the hood bar back on because I like how it looks. 240s, looking all 3 stain sheet. Oh, fuck, I forgot to wash the motorcycle. Oh, well, for another day. Alright, homies, later.